Here's a plumber marketing hack I'll bet you didn't know of. Most plumbers avoid Facebook because they find that they can't make any money with Facebook. What if I told you that there was a way to find the secret sauce of Facebook ads that are working in your area? So don't reinvent the wheel when it comes to marketing. So let me show you this little hack. Go to facebook.com/ads/library and put in the name of the most successful competitors that are in your space. If I put in a specific name, then I could find their ads. It will give me the details, and what I'm looking for is how many ads are they currently running. And instead of starting from scratch, look at the messaging that they're doing, look at the kind of offers, look at the kind of coupons that they're offering. What is it that's getting their phones to ring? Just have your marketing agency reword those so that they have the same punch and the same appeal. And then you reload those into your Facebook ads. And you're now going to start seeing your Facebook campaign is going to start driving leads for you as well too. And that's how you use this hack right here to spy on your competitors and not reinvent the wheel. I'm Richard Cruz, and I'm the founder of Plumber Marketing USA, and I'm the author and the creator of the Plumber 10X system. And if I could ever be of help to you, don't ever hesitate to reach out.